Hi kids, how you all doing? So I'm back again and I hope you're all well. So this week we're going to look at a bit of a present that I got for Christmas. It's a Da Vinci My Adidas colouring book. So just a bit of fun from the missus at Christmas. I think it was from Amazon. We get it elsewhere as well. So it is what it says on the front. It's a colouring book with Adidas trainers within. As you can see on the front, you've got Yeezy there. So that might give you an indication of what's inside. Disappointingly for me, a lot of the classics such as Zurich in front of you and the majority of my collection are not in here. But it's still a nice thing to see, and if you do like the more modern shoe, then it's certainly up your street. So we'll have a quick flick through now. There's the listing. Basically each image is duplicated once, so you get two colourway options to fill it in if you like. I would say this is probably meant for the American market based on the shoes primarily. Quite a lot of recent shoes in here, so this must be a recent book. Give a quick flick through the book just to give you an indication of what's in there. So how many pages do we have? 140 pages. Just a bit of fun. Guess it's time to get colouring. Take care kids, more on the way. Some pretty good stuff coming out this year, I hear. Hope your 2018 is going well so far. I will catch you guys next time. Take care. Bye.